Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a little hiking vlog because the weather is looking really nice today. We're gonna be going to Barbara Falls. There's this beautiful waterfall. I've been there a couple times, but it's such a stunner every time. Let's go. So it's currently 4:48 and we are on our way. I wanted to do a more natural look today. I didn't really want to wear any makeup. All I really have is brow gel because I don't like when my brows move. We're still cute or whatever. What about you? Did you put any makeup on?
No, didn't even put chapstick on.
I can tell.
You want some? It's okay if you need some.
I'll be good.
I think you need
some.
This jacket is so comfy, but I feel like anytime I wear puffer jackets, I'm like, I am debating if I should wear a beanie or not because I'm obviously wearing this headband right now and I think it looks cute. These are Roman's beanies, by the way, because I don't have any beanies. I have this beanie here. I also have this beanie. I don't know, it's not too cold, and also I feel like this headband covers my ears, so it's not too bad, but we'll see when we get there.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I feel the lights down right now. Put me.
Okay, so we just got here. I'm for sure gonna go with the beanie.
Which one are you gonna pick?
Oh, you're gonna wear this one? Just kind of stepped on.
When they suck their cheeks, like.
All right, so let's go. She cute.
All right.
Don't play with her.
Okay. Yep. Cozy. I want to get frostbite. Frostbite is real, y'all. Gotta be safe and warm out there. If you sweat during the winter, bad gig. Do not wear cotton. Cotton kills. This is good advice, actually. It's #1 killer.
All right, now let's get to the vlog. I'm being super cautious right now because everything's like pretty icy. So we gotta get going and we gotta get to the waterfall ASAP.
This used to be like a little fairy house. It had like mushrooms growing out and like little flowers. It was super cool.
It was super cute. Roman and I keep making noises because if there's any freaking bears or any animals out here, like, we need to scare them away. We're about to get to the waterfall. I'm so excited for you guys to see. You guys don't even imagine how beautiful this looks in person. Like,
come ice climbing. Like bring all their gear and stuff and then start kicking at it.
Yeah.
See if I can hit the icicle.
What are you gonna try to hit? Ah, you missed. What do you guys think? Was it pretty or what? When I tell you guys Alaska's freaking beautiful and these sights are just freaking breathtaking, I mean it. What do you think? But we do need to start heading out, so let's go. I can't open it.
You want me to open it for you? It's probably gonna be frozen.
No. Taste test at Barber Falls.
What kind of kicks you got?
I got the... Oh, you like my socks?
What are those? Oh, very Halloween appropriate.
Yeah. Don't get my hairy legs.
I got the Merles, baby.
Uh-huh.
With the wool socks. When your mom was like, a ver, ponte los zapatos, like put on your shoes. Y córrele, a ver, córrele.
Guys, what does that look like over there?
I can't show that on YouTube.
Show it.
Fence post sticking out. Get that stick right there.
That's stuck to the floor, sir.
Frozen. Just pull it up. Yeah.
Take one. First we have to do the, as if you can outrun me. And then he runs.
As if you can outrun me. As if you can fight me off.
I am the world's, what does he say?
I am the world's most dangerous predator.
I'm scared. What if I hit some even?
Ah, what was that?
Take two. I am the world's most dangerous predator. Alright, cut. I'm done. Okay, y'all. We made it. We got to the car. We were freaking freezing. Like, my tripod is literally so cold. Actually really, really fun.
Many more hikes to come.
Yes, many more hikes to come. That was my first time seeing the waterfall semi-frozen like that. I did come last winter, but the waterfall was completely frozen. It wasn't half frozen and half running, so that was pretty cool. I'm glad I was able to take you guys along with me. Now, let's hurry up and get home. Okay guys, we just got home. I'm pretty freaking tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
This is Kiwi. I don't think you guys have met him yet. He's getting pretty fat. But yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Let us know what else you guys want to see. Comment down below like, hey, show us this or show us that. Or Allie, can you get your boyfriend to like teach us a couple things, you know? It's never bad to get some little bit of knowledge in there.
Yeah. Seriously guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.